This 4-door, 6-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a front bench seat, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.